Hello everyone, welcome welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can create a fade in and out audio, okay, in DaVinci Resolve. So now I'm gonna open the software, the editing software, and please do as well. And now let me show you how you can do this. And I hope you learned something. I hope this video will help you. And now let's import. Okay, and here for this video, and let's import the video. Okay, let's go now in edit tab. So here we can edit the video. We don't need the media pool, we don't need the effects. We just need to place the face close attention to this. Okay, so if you want to fade in the audio, make sure you drag this a little bit left and a little bit to the right. Make sure you're dragging you see you have a red like square, drag it to the left. You can also create here a bit of like this, okay, or you can increase, or you can drag it up or down, okay. But that's basically how you do it. I hope you learned something. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you learned something. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.